Welcome back to Andersen Acres. We're inside today, but we're not cooking. I had a bunch of people ask me, how on earth do I open a quail egg? How do I crack one? Every time I crack one, it goes everywhere. Well, you are not alone. A heck of a lot of people have difficulty cracking quail eggs. So I'm going to show you doing it manually. So with your hand, crack, crack, crack into the bowl, which is very annoying. And you'll usually get shells in it, but it's doable. And then I will show you the best way to do it. So, little bowl to crack it into. This is a quail egg. These are all quail eggs. So what we want to do, it's very difficult. If you go boom, you are going to end up smashing your quail egg. So what you're going to do is take the side of your quail egg, press it against your cutting board till you hear cracking. Okay, you've now cracked this spot. Don't push it hard enough that you get liquid leaking out, because that means you pierce that membrane. You want to pierce the membrane over your bowl. Very annoying. Grab that membrane so you get shells. The quail eggs suck. So peel as much as you can. Hole like that. Keep most of that shell in there. Pour that out. There you go. I'm just going to ditch this shell. Leave it there. Get rid of the little bits in my hand in the trash can. Okay, so that's how you do it manually. It's really annoying, and there's a lot of room for error. The best way to do it is with these. Okay, these are quail egg scissors. These are specifically designed to cut quail eggs. You can find them on Amazon. I'll try to remember to include a link to a set on Amazon, but you can also usually get them at your local feed store or anywhere that carries product for quail. These are specifically designed for doing this, and they are not expensive, okay? So what you want to do, you'll notice there's a hole and a blade. You're going to cut the top off a quail egg. So take a quail egg, okay? Stick it in that hole, fat end. If you do the skinny end, look at how far it goes. You want to do the fat end. Fat end. And then you're going to go fairly fast. Okay, you're not going to, if you go too slow, you crush the whole egg. So, fat end into the hole, fairly quick. Chop the top of that egg off. Pour the egg out. Okay, that is the single most efficient way to cut a quail egg open. It is so much better than trying to do it manually. So I absolutely 100% recommend, if you have quail and are going to have quail eggs regularly, you absolutely should get yourself a pair of quail egg scissors. So much easier, and it's so much easier to get the quail eggs out of their shell without breaking the yolk, if that's what you're doing. Because if you're going to scramble them, no problem. But if you are trying to keep them intact because you want to cook them in a pan or whatever, quail egg scissors are the way to go. So absolutely get yourself a pair of quail egg scissors. It will make your life a whole lot easier. So that's how you use them, and I will try to remember the link. I know I forget links all the time. People keep bugging me. So I will try to remember that link, and that's how you crack a quail egg most efficiently. Can you do it this way? Sure. Should you do it this way instead? Absolutely. Remember, cut off that fat end, not the narrow end. That's about it for us here today at Andersen Acres. Good luck cracking those quail eggs open. We'll see you tomorrow.